Good afternoon, boys. We got a day today. All right, so here's the deal. The Miata install is going down tomorrow and probably for the next couple days. And I'm gonna be filming all of it, obviously. I've got to get some stuff in order, ready to go for that install that I do not have. One of them being oil, which we're gonna stop by Throttle's warehouse to go pick it up, say hi to the boys, say what's up to Evan. Then I gotta figure out the thread pitch for the oil pan drilling that I need to do. We gotta go pick up your merchandise that you guys bought. And if that wasn't enough, we got a cruise to go on, baby. We are gonna be meeting up with Axel from Garage Collective, one of my buddies. He's got an STI that you guys have seen before. We're going on a nice little cruise, get some rollers, get some sound clips. Just have a good time, just a good little time. California knows how to party. Yeah, I have ADHD, so sometimes I just say things, dude. But for real though, look at that view, dude, that's so sick. So our first stop is gonna be going to grab the merchandise from Encinitas, and then we are gonna go to Throttle, grab that oil like I said. Then we're gonna get into it, baby. It's time to go, man. We got some stuff to do. Literally never gets old.
I like trains.
All right, let's go grab it. Hey.
Hi, Griffin.
What's up, man? Look at that, boys. Orders are going out tomorrow. Looks freaking sick, dude. These are so sick. Picked up the clothing. This is gonna be shipped out tomorrow, hopefully, if I can get it done before we start installing the turbo, which is gonna be insane. Oh God, I almost got hit by a car. Again, just wanted to say a huge thank you to all you guys that ordered something. I'm freaking stoked on it. I hope you guys are just as stoked as me. And yeah, just thanks a lot, guys. I really do appreciate it. It's really cool. Time to go to Throttle, grab some oil. Oh yeah. Trying to make me act up right now or what? God damn. Out of literally nowhere, dude. What is this? That last flip was like literally a minute and a half ago, and now it is black and raining out. And I do have wipers this time. I did install them. Don't be tripping out about your boy. Damn. Otherwise, I'm gonna bury you 6 feet deep. All right, let's cruise in and say what's up to the boys. What's up, man?
How are you?
Good, how are you? I'm looking for avenues, so I'm grabbing some oil from my guy.
What's up, dude? How are you?
Good. How are
Welcome
you,
to the new shop.
Yeah,
that
this
was
is so sick. Yes, definitely seen these a bunch. This is the giveaway car.
giveaway car.
All right, dude, this looks great. Oh my gosh.
9 mats, a PPF on the whole car.
Yeah.
Forged rotiform. It's like the ultimate cruiser. Red
Oh
leather.
man, dude, the interior is so nice
Such
on
a good
these.
daily.
I had a 1995 S4, which is not the same.
Oh, you saw B5 S4. Those
yeah,
are sick.
yeah, and it was the AAN 5-cylinder.
Yeah.
Had a 3071R on it.
Whoa.
And it made like 450 wheel. It was the craziest car I've ever had. It had the most electrical problems I've ever had and it was like kind of an incomplete build.
Let's see how we get your opinion on this. It's a new product that Mishimoto sent us. Let me know what you think about this.
Damn, is that carbon fiber? No way.
Yeah.
Oh
intercooler,
my gosh.
carbon fiber end tanks, and you can change the colors of these rings. They also have different styles, like of the end tanks too. But
What?
yeah, they just came out with this.
That is
Different
so
sizes.
gnarly.
Pretty cool, right?
That's
You
insane.
can see on the little.
It's
You can
just-
change all these different core colors.
Yeah.
It's kind of personalized. It's kind of cool though. It comes in a
That is-
sick case too.
That is super cool. I thought it was a gun case for a second.
It's what it feels like. It feels
Yeah,
like one of those
literally.
Pelican cases.
Yeah.
It's the goods. That's what you need, brother.
Yes, that is what I need. The Mo tool. Baby.
What else is left? Did you get the turbo and everything?
Everything's ready. I'm doing it tomorrow.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Not on a lift.
Not on the lift. Definitely on some jack
But
stands.
if it's a complete Flying Miata kit, they're really good.
It's
You don't have to really do any fabrication with the oil pan. Do you have to tap it?
I do, and I'm going to find the bit today because it doesn't come with a bit. It comes with some other piece, but
So you know how to do that with the grease?
yeah, with the grease, and I got mineral water or
Yeah,
oil or
really,
something.
really slow. What is the ECU stuff? Is it
I have a Speedy EFI ECU, so it's a standalone, but it's a plug and play.
okay? Injectors,
600cc flow force.
and then fuel rail is stock, or you?
Fuel rail is stock, so right now it's stock fuel pump, so it's gonna be on.
Suggest?
No.
Oh, you need one.
Yeah, I'll probably need one, but it'll run. It's just gonna be low boost and whatnot. I don't want you guys to have to tear the whole place apart for this video. Dude, thank you so much. That's crazy.
You have a filter too?
Dude,
Any questions you have, then just hit me up.
Yeah,
And
well,
if you like are missing something, just let me know. We probably have it here.
all right, well, huge shout out to Evan at Throttle and Throttle in general. Just hooked me up with this freaking Deechworks. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Deechworks Deechworks fuel pump, which is super clutch. They hooked it up, and the oil. So huge shout out to Throttle. If you guys want to get entered to win that S4 that you saw, go to Throttle, buy some parts, buy some merchandise, buy whatever. Use code GriffinB to get up to 15% off, and you will be entered to win that S4. All right. The cruise has begun. We're going to Sunset Cliffs. Those of you in San Diego know what that is. I've actually never been there for some reason, which is like crazy. So we're gonna go check it out and see what's up and have a nice little time. Dude, it just looks so sick. Dude, damn, maybe I'm like an STI Subi boy. Oh, I'm gonna scrape on this. Oh no, I'm not, we're good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about STIs and WRXs. I tend to really like them a lot, especially since Ryan has one and I've been in his and it's like a freaking blast. But like, I really honestly just like the look of them. Dude, just cruising into the sunset with your boy, dude. How's that? How's that, dude? Look at that thing, dude. Looks so sick. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, dude. Woo! Oh yeah, there's a tunnel for sure. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it's going down heavily. Oh my gosh. Dude, sometimes I honestly think that my car's broken because of how loud those are. It's honestly recently been getting louder and it's slightly concerning. Oh my gosh, and Axel's car sounds so sick, dude. Oh man, just a good day with the boys, dude. It is what it is, man. I'm glad you guys are here with me, damn. I love it.
Do a pull! Do a pull!
What's up, guys? We're in the Subi. Gonna show Griff what his car actually sounds like to the public.
Can't wait to hear about what.
Who is this man? Whose man's is this? Oh my god! Yes, I'm still in gear in my loud as hell Subaru, and you literally cannot hear it at all.
Yo, let's head to the cars. Oh, I can't believe that worked.
Fuck yeah.
Is this still recording? I can't believe that worked. All right, well, that was sketchy, but that works. Dude. Go for it, I'm gonna get you. Oh my gosh, dude, that sounds so sick, dude. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing with my throat right now, but I'm falling in love with the Subarus, dude. You know what? I don't even care that he just blasted me with water. I liked it. I feel water. I feel wet. This is what it's all about, dude. Is just cruising with your friends in automobiles, dude. Like, how simple is that? Just brings so much joy. It's the weirdest thing. I don't understand it. I don't know why I'm programmed like this, dude, but it's so much fun. Like, I really don't understand how everyone isn't just like absolutely addicted to this. And I understand, you know, sometimes it costs a decent amount of money to get into it, but dude, any car, just imagine you're going to like a party with your friends and you guys are all squadding up in whatever cars you have. It's fun. It's fun. No matter what, dude. Dude, it sounds so good.
What?
It sounds so good.
Your car?
No, your car.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, it sounds so sick. Dude, it's like the perfect amount of like
exhaust note mixed with like that air pushing out sound like from the turbo.
I'm not a huge like loud car turbo guy. I like the subtle like nice tone with like that sound of like air pushing out of the exhaust. A good mix of that is like perfect. I don't like just straight super loud. Yeah, dude, this is actually ridiculous. Look at this view right now. It's so sick. Well, this is very pretty.
Pretty sick spot, right?
This is sick. Oh my God. And the view on the way down from the hill.
Amazing.
All right, so you guys know Axel W Photo.
Oh, dude.
Let's go. So he's got this STI, obviously, as you guys just saw under, and it's pretty badass. Why don't you tell the folks just what you did to it?
So this is my 2016 STI. It's got about 70,000 miles. As for the aero, we got carbon front lip, plastic side skirts, plastic rear spats, carbon gurney flap. From Subaru Speed, we've got a Remark axle back. It's paired up to an SPT mid pipe and then stock cats and downpipe. Suspension, we're on KW V3s with Cusco control arms, Cusco sway bar supports. Shout out to Tom over at Carpoy here in San Diego. We've got his end links, short throw shifter kit, shift knob. We got the diff bushings and tranny bushings from him as well. Cusco power steering brace, and then white line power steering bushing kit with new steering rack because that broke already. For the engine, CSF radiator, we've got Cusco catch can, only 2-port, carb legal, Cobb SF intake on there as well with a tune from Delicious Stage 1. That tune feels amazing. Let's see, we've also got Cusco motor mounts and trans mounts on there. Cusco front rear strut tower bars. Biggest new addition, can't believe I forgot, is the Wave Spec rotors with EBC yellow pads, and I went with StopTech stainless lines. Yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys like those flybys. Griffin's car sounds freaking amazing too, so be sure to pick up like that hybrid turbo kit and the tune that he has from that because it's freaking nutty. Yeah, so back to Griff.